Hello, friend. How are you all? I have brought you a special product which I am going to unveil to you now. Product name, ProfitTurbo Review. Product description. Have you become weary of squandering time and money on futile web marketing tactics? Do you wish to increase sales and profit margins for your online store? Look no further than ProfitTurbo, the all-in-one software solution designed to optimize your online business and skyrocket your sales. In this post, we'll examine ProfitTurbo's features and advantages and demonstrate how it may revolutionize your online business. Table of contents. What is ProfitTurbo? How does ProfitTurbo work? Features and benefits of ProfitTurbo. Automated traffic generation, advanced analytics, conversion optimization tools, social media integration. Who can benefit from ProfitTurbo? How to get started with ProfitTurbo, ProfitTurbo versus other marketing tools, success stories with ProfitTurbo, common questions about ProfitTurbo. Is ProfitTurbo suitable for all types of e-commerce businesses? How easy is it to use ProfitTurbo? Can I cancel my ProfitTurbo subscription at any time? Does ProfitTurbo offer customer support? How soon can I expect to see results with ProfitTurbo? Conclusion. What is ProfitTurbo? ProfitTurbo is a revolutionary software designed to streamline and optimize your online business. It was developed by a group of seasoned e-commerce experts who are familiar with the difficulties involved in managing an effective online company. With ProfitTurbo, you can automate your marketing strategies, analyze your data, and improve your conversion rates with ease. How does ProfitTurbo work? ProfitTurbo uses advanced algorithms and machine learning to analyze your website and create customized marketing campaigns. It integrates with your e-commerce platform and social media accounts to generate traffic and maximize conversions. With ProfitTurbo, you can automate your entire sales funnel, from lead generation to customer retention. Features and benefits of ProfitTurbo. Automated traffic generation. ProfitTurbo uses advanced SEO techniques to drive traffic to your website. It also integrates with social media platforms to increase your visibility and reach. With ProfitTurbo, you can create customized marketing campaigns that target your ideal customer demographic and generate high-quality leads. Advanced analytics. ProfitTurbo provides in-depth analytics that allow you to track the performance of your website and marketing campaigns. It provides detailed reports on traffic, conversions, and customer behavior, so you can make data-driven decisions and optimize your strategies for maximum ROI. Conversion optimization tools. ProfitTurbo includes a suite of tools designed to improve your conversion rates. It offers personalized product recommendations, abandoned cart recovery, and one-click upsells. These features help you increase your average order value and boost your profits. Social media integration. ProfitTurbo integrates seamlessly with your social media accounts, allowing you to leverage the power of social media marketing. You can schedule posts, track engagement, and analyze the performance of your campaigns, all from one platform. Who can benefit from ProfitTurbo? ProfitTurbo is ideal for e-commerce businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large corporations. It's ideal for anyone looking to simplify their marketing plans, provide top-notch leads, and boost conversion rates. Whether you're selling physical products or digital services, ProfitTurbo can help you achieve your business goals. How to get started with ProfitTurbo? Getting started with ProfitTurbo is easy. Simply sign up for a free trial on their website, and you'll have access to all the features and benefits of the software. You can customize your marketing campaigns. Have a good day, Raihan. Thank you.